and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we'd like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. In today's video, we've done this eye look using the new Beautybay Berries 42 colour palette. This is a dream. This is an absolute dream. If you like pink and purple eyeshadows, then you're going to want this palette because it's got every single pink and purple and red eyeshadow that you could ever think of. I don't think I need to buy another another pink palette in my life. But to be honest, I never really buy pink palettes anyway, which is why I wanted to buy this one. And the rows that I was really drawn to were these three rows here, like these milkshakey kind of shades, which I've got on my eyes now. And some of these will make beautiful blush shades. You know I love a pink blush, so if this isn't an eyeshadow palette of my dreams, this is a blush palette of my dreams, and potential highlight as well. If I want a little blush topper, I've got it all here. And yeah, so we've created this look. I've done it as a voiceover as well, mainly because my microphone wasn't working, because I've had to buy a new microphone because Michael chewed through my old one, even though I'd already filmed a whole video and I didn't realise until when I was editing it. So yeah, that was my P. Louise Lady in Charge palette, which is why I ended up doing it as a YouTube short. If you want to see more looks created using this palette, then please drop that down below and I'll get that filmed for you. Otherwise this would have been a very long video. So if you want to see me create this look and hear my thoughts on my first impressions of this palette, then please stay tuned. Back with a voiceover, and I'm just going to pat in my P. Louise base shade 2 like normal, and then I'm going to go in with Risk, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to create that shape. So first of all, I'll take it on the lower lash line and then I bring it up so that it's kind of like in line with my lower lash line, and then make that V shape on the outer corner, and just building up that pigment. So keep going back into the palette, back and forth, and I'm just using a small Morphe flat kind of brush. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe blending brush with no product on it yet, but I'm just going to blend out those edges and really soften them. And then I'm going to mix Journal and 1985, and I'm just going to blend out those edges and really soften that dark shade and start to create this shape a bit more, but bringing it over into my center of my lid as well. And I'm going to take Icing, which is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and I'm just going to use a P. Louise blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all of that. And then we're going to take Manicure on a Peaches and Cream fluffy blending brush, and this is one of the shades that really drew me to the palette. So I'm just swashing all around the outer edge and on the inner part of my eye, and also putting it all over the lid so it's nice matte, ready for our shimmer shades. And then I'm just going to go back and forth, you know the drill, back and forth with the dark to light, light to dark, the ladder technique. And then I'm going to take the palest shades like the white, creamy pink white, shall we call it, and place that on my brow bone and my inner corner. And then this is where the magic happens. Just look at those shimmer shades, mixture of Cloud and Freeze, and I've just patted them back and forth onto my lid. No base, no glue on. I just wanted it really beautiful and through the crease. And then potted a bit of Alba on my brow bone, and it's just, those shimmer shades are beautiful. But just taking a red shimmer as well and just using my finger to then just blend it along my lower lash line, just a bit of contrast, and then blending it out with Manicure again. And now using the Made by Mitchell Black Track Pencil Liner and just really deepening and darkening the lower lash line. Topping it off with a bit of mascara, and here is the finished eye look. So I'm going to go put my lashes on and the rest of the makeup. I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me know down below what you think. I really love how this look has turned out. The shimmers are beautiful, the mattes are beautiful. Everything that you love about Beautybay formula is in this palette. What is going on with my hair? Excuse my hair. And I don't think this hair really goes with pink eyeshadow, if I'm honest. But, you know, anyway. So yeah, absolutely love this palette. I feel like I won't ever need to buy a pinky purple palette again because I've got it all here. The only thing that I think this palette is lacking is a black. I always say this, but I feel like every palette needs a black, but then I've I probably will end up with so many blacks, if that makes sense. So I've always got a black eyeshadow that I can just use with this. But yeah, it's got everything else. It's got dark, deep shades, it's got light shades, it's got so many different shimmer shades and different kind of formula shimmer shades as well. Like, not all of them are the putty formula that we're sometimes used to with the £20 eyeshadow palettes. Some of them are a little bit more dry, some of them a little bit more sparkly. So yeah, absolutely love this palette. I'm definitely going to play around with some more looks for this. If you want to see some more, then please comment down below. I'll either do another YouTube video at a later date, or perhaps some like YouTube shorts or something like that. But yes, if you grabbed this palette, then please also let me know down below. Also, I have got the large midnight palette as well, which I haven't actually used. I bought that a few months ago and I've not even touched it, which is really bad. So do let me know if you want to see a video on that as well, because it is a few months old. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe. And also, I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.